Hey girl, I know I've been gone. I've been hiding. I know. Please, please. But we're gonna do some maintenance this weekend. I need to go grocery shopping, and I'm going out of town next weekend, so I need to get some toiletry stuff. So we're gonna do everything. I know my hair is not gonna get done till later on in the week, probably Thursday after pole. But yeah, so let's go ahead. We're gonna go get my feet done first, because I'm gonna show you what my feet look like. They look horrible. So we're gonna go do that first, and then I think I want to go get me some food, and I feel like it's something else I need to do. So let's get to going, y'all. Y'all, look at my toes. They're so busted, bro. Dog, that shit is really bad, yo. So let's go get my feet done for short ski. Okay, girl. Let me turn it down. I'm sorry. Y'all seen I got my toes done, thank God, because they were looking busted and crusty. I'm about to go to Real Tacos. I want a drink. I want some food. Yeah, and I want to go to Real Tacos. I thought about going to Bell Street because it's right there, but no, I want to go to Real Tacos. I want to sit outside and just enjoy myself. So let's go. All right, I made it out to Real Tacos, so let's go eat, get some food, because I am very much so starving. Okay, did I eat today? Oh, I ate one time. Yep. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, that little margarita was a little strong. I really want to go get me a hookah, so I'm finna see what this one place talking about. If they're not talking about nothing, then I'm gonna just go home and smoke my hookah at home. But I just want to be out, yeah. Okay, I got my travel. It was too much going on over there, y'all. I could not pick up my camera. Anyway, I got all my travel size stuff. I'm about to grab my soap, which I think I only want to do the small pack. I don't need the big pack right now. If they have my small pack. Okay, they do. I guess. Is this Shay? What the hell is this? Girl, what is that? Okay. We'll just do this one for now. Yeah, I know my nerves be bad. Okay, y'all. So I got everything I need. I got all my mini stuff, everything. Y'all, I went to the purse section, and this bag is on clearance for $5. So I got it. Just why not? $5? Girl, please. Y'all, look at what I just freaking found. These are so cute. Please. No lie, I think I'm gonna get these, y'all. I'm not lying. I'm gonna get those. Baby. See, I really just came over here just to see what they had, but they got some good shit over here. I'm gonna start getting some shoes from Walmart. What? Hey, y'all. So it has been a couple of weeks since I last talked to y'all. Maybe 2. It's really been a lot going on, y'all, truly. But I want to go ahead and bring y'all along with me this weekend, and we're just gonna end the vlog off this weekend. So right now I'm about to go grab me some food, and then I'm going to TJ Maxx because I broke my meal prep containers. So I want some new meal prep containers. So we're gonna go look in TJ Maxx and see if they have any, because that's where I got my last ones. So yeah, but I want to go get some food first. Just kind of chill for the day, going to the city, because I want to go into Midtown and just really be in the city and enjoy the views. So yeah, let's go ahead and go. You and me can't be nothing no more. I've been looking for something. I know she is loud. Y'all, this music is so loud. But I came to TJ Maxx to look for some containers, because I told y'all mine broke. And this TJ Maxx has nothing. So I'm kind of over it. They have these, but like, look at how small the cup is. I don't like that. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hey y'all! Today is Sunday, and I'm about to go to Whataburger and grab me some food. It is so hot. I'm about to grab me some food, and then I want to go to TJ Maxx and see if the one on this side of town, and see if they have the stuff. And then I'm going to Aldi's to go do some grocery shopping, of course. And I think that's really all I have on the agenda, as far as like being out. And then we'll go home and get some stuff together. So let me grab me some food first, and yeah, let's grab some food. Yeah, I came to Barnes & Noble. This is my first time ever being in Barnes & Noble. I've gotten into a hobby of reading books. So I was looking for a Marianne Reed book, but they have no Marianne Reed books here. So I'm just kind of just browsing around right now. But I don't think I'm walking out here with anything. I think I'm just going to have to order the book online at this point, because I can't find anything. So that's kind of a bust, but I think this is gonna be somewhere where I can like come, read, get some schoolwork done, because they have like a little cafeteria. Like, this is a big Barnes & Noble, like upstairs, downstairs, it's huge. So I think I just found me a new place to kind of chill and hide out at. Bro, they have it upstairs, so it's a bunch of like kids stuff. Cool. They got cookbooks. They got personal growth books. Oh, this is my section. I like stuff like that. I noticed I like self-help, or like personal growth, or I like I can't think. Oh, brother. Oh, I like romance and drama, but I like books. Self-care. Oh, they have a self-care for Black women. Okay, period. And they have like little places where you can read. I like this. This is cool. I gotta come back for sure. I was never recording. Anyway, they have so much like good stuff in here. I'm definitely gonna have to come and like on pastime, just like come read my books, do any work that I need to do. I was looking at these two books. They have a book called My Fault, and then they have a book called Your Fault. Okay, so basically, like, this girl is in love with her brother, and her and her brother, they had a little fling. Are we okay? Are we okay? Girl, I'm telling y'all want the good stuff? Pick you up a book. Stop watching movies, bro. All the good stuff be in these books. And your imagination is wilder than anything that you could ever imagine, girl. Pick you up a book. I had seen this one in the, like, personal growth section, the self-care for Black women. Yeah, and it just gives you a bunch of different things to do, to practice, like, self-care as a black woman. And you know what one of the things is in this book? Let me see if I can find it actually, because I seen it over there. I said, you know what? Hell yeah. Hello. I gotta find it. Oh shit. It might be over here. Where it go? Oh, bro, where is it? Yep. Hell yeah. Do what? Take a nap. Take a nap. Hell yeah. The fuck? Girl, let me tell you, life gets too hard, I get too stressed, I get overwhelmed. I'm gonna let that take me a fucking nap. Fuck out my face. So the fact that's on the self-care shit, I must be doing something right. Please. Anyway, girls, so I am about to, I know it's after 5 o'clock, so I need to go to Aldi's, make my little groceries, and get home because I still got stuff to do at home. But this was cute. This is a cute little side quest. This is definitely going to have to be one of my new spots when I just need to get stuff done, and I just kind of want to be in a environment. Then definitely come here. Oh girl. What's going on? It's so many different sections. I really love that. Like, it's so many different sections for you to dip off into, and I really like that. So, but anyway, girl, let's go. Girl, so we back at the other TJ Maxx. Let's see if they got the meal prep containers, or I'm just gonna be SOL. Girl, I'm tired. It's after 6 o'clock. So y'all already know I stopped in the jewelry section. Didn't really see much. I'm over here in the cup section. I found this really cute cup. You know, I love cups, especially for me to drink tea out of. So I'm looking for the freaking thingies. If I can find those, then I'm gonna get that cup. If I can't find them, I ain't getting the cup. Deal. It's only $6, but this is cute, but I wouldn't see this as like a glass to drink out of. That makes sense. Yeah. Oh, but let me tell you what is sexy. This is sexy. See, girl, so this is literally all I can find, like quite literally all I can find. I just feel like this is probably the best that I'm gonna get. Are these microwaves? Okay. And they come in 4. I really only need 2, maybe 3, because of the ones that are broken, but that's the best I can find, sister. So I'm just gonna have to go with those, unfortunately.